Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and gently take in a few deep breaths. Allowing your body to relax and your mind to become calm. Now allow yourself to have a sense of being surrounded by a soft, radiant light. Feel this light enveloping your entire being, creating a sense of warmth as you continue to breathe deeply. Imagine that from your heart center, a beautiful flower begins to emerge. This pattern consists of interlocking circles forming a complex geometric shape. Visualize this flower of life expanding outwards, encompassing your entire body. And radiating out into the space around you. And as you breathe in, visualize it now radiating out into the entire world. Feel its energy extending to all corners of the earth, connecting you with the planet and all living beings upon it. As you deepen your connection to the flower of life, imagine a gentle wave of love and compassion flowing through it. This wave of love moves outward from your heart, touching every living creature and every element of nature. Feel the interconnectedness of all life as this wave from your heart spreads, bringing peace and harmony wherever it goes and wherever and whoever it touches. Breathing in, take a moment to send gratitude and appreciation to the earth. for providing a home for all beings. Visualize your love and gratitude flowing back to the planet, nurturing and healing it in return. Now allow yourself to shift your focus to your breath. With each inhale, imagine you are breathing in the vibrant energy of the earth. Drawing in its life force and vitality. With each exhale, release any tension, stress, or negativity, allowing it to dissolve and transform into pure, positive energy. As you continue this deep and relaxing breathing, feel yourself merging with the earth. As you breathe in rhythm, becoming one with its essence. Sense the deep connection you share with all living beings, knowing that you are an integral part of the web of life. Stay in this state of peaceful connection for a few more minutes, allowing yourself to absorb the love, harmony, and unity that surrounds you. Feel the immense beauty and wisdom that permeate every aspect of creation. And as we close this meditation, when you are ready, take a few deep breaths in. Gradually bring your awareness back to your physical body. Gently move your fingers and your toes, your arms and legs. To the present moment. Carry this sense of interconnectedness and peace with you as you go about your day, knowing that you are an essential part of the beautiful tapestry of life on this planet. And so it is.